In this video, we are going to look at how to add set files when you download a Forex robot that comes with set files. This is for MT5. I think there are many videos online already showing you how to do it in MT4. But if you still do not understand how to do it in MT4, I can always do a video about it, so you can leave your request in the comment section below. This is just to show you how to do it in MT5. It's slightly different when it comes to MT5. So we are basically going to add a set file to a robot that we just downloaded and show you how you can add a set file in MT5. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only way to motivate me to continue making these videos and sharing with you the knowledge, the experiences that I've had in Forex trading. Everything I share and what I do on this channel, I do for free. So go ahead and just like the video. If you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, all for free. There are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Many people also always ask me about the brokers that I use. There are links in the description box below. Visit those brokers and yeah, hopefully they will make your day as they always make my days. So let's get back into the video. So how to add set files in MT5, in MetaTrader 5. We already said it's slightly different from how you would do it with MT4. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll just go to my downloads folder. So I've got this robot that I just downloaded from Telegram, and it actually comes with what? A set file. What do we mean by set files? Set files are basically files with settings. Usually it's settings that somebody who created the robot, or somebody who tested it, or somebody who used it, the settings that they believe made them more money with the robot. We know many robots, they allow you to set whatever settings that you want, but sometimes you reach a point of equilibrium, if I can say, where the robot is actually like not losing as much money, because every robot will lose money at some point, but it's not losing as much money, and it's actually like balancing out or making more money. So the person will just save from those settings that they found to be sweet with that robot. They will save that as a set file. So what you can do is, when you're using the robot, you can basically tell the robot to trade based on these best tested settings that come with the file. So let's do that and see how you can do that. So basically what we want to just go and do is to add our robot to our MetaTrader 5. We go to File, you go to Open Data Folder, we open our data folder, and we then go to MQL5. That's the folder that we want, and in Experts, that's where we are going to add our robot. So we start with that. Where is our robot? There is our robot. So we are just going to copy the robot. Bear with my computer, sometimes it loves to behave when I'm recording videos. So we paste our robot in there. Our robot is in there. Step index trend shotgun. I don't even know what this robot does. I just took it off the internet. Then we go back. Now in MT4, actually in this same folder is the folder for presets, where you'd put in the set files. But in MQL5, you can actually see the folder here. So below the experts folder, you find the presets folder. That's where you're going to find it. So we are just going to go in there, double click, and we are going to go to our downloads folder, and we are going to get our set file. We are going to copy it, and we come to our presets, we paste it in. There's our set file with our settings for the robot. That's basically it on this side. Then obviously we will come this side, and we're going to go to our navigator so that we can find our robot. And when we come here, the robot is not yet there. We are just going to refresh. You can either close MetaTrader, either Trader 4, Trader 5. It works same way. And you close it and you restart it. It's still the same result. Or you can simply come here and you right click and you refresh, and it's still the same result. The robot would then, or the indicator would then show up. So we basically just drag and drop our robot in there. Let's see. I don't even know what this robot does. I just found it online. I have not even tested it. So it's a good example because I don't even know what this robot does. So this is our robot, and that's what it looks like. And load sizing, this is range break, and load sizing, I don't even know the minimum load size for range break. Let's try and see. I need to close this first because I'm trying to test this thing, so I need to test it on the bare minimum load size. So we go to view our market watch. This is range break. Let's go to range break. This is range break 200. We go to specification. When we go to specification, minimum volume 0.01. That's minimum volume. Let's close it. Let's see if our robot is able to trade. Some robots cannot go below the minimum lot size that would have been set by the developer. So let's see if you're able to. I'm just setting this to 0 and see if it's going to work. But if it doesn't work, then we'll then need to put in values for take profit and a stop loss. Otherwise, instead of doing all of this, this is where what you use the preset settings, the set file. So instead of doing all of this, you can come here and you say load. There is our settings, but these settings are for step index. These settings are for step index, and we open. So I actually need to load this robot on step index, and you save, not save. We actually say okay. And where is my step index? I actually need to be trading this on step index. I apologize for that. Got carried away. That's step index, and I've allowed algo trading. Let's go to expert list. Let's go to algo trading. I've allowed algo trading. I'm on the 1 minute time frame, and let me just make sure again. I've loaded our settings, and okay. So our robot should now be able to trade according to the settings in that set file. That's basically what's going to happen. I've not used this robot prior, so I don't know what it does. We'll see if it actually makes money, and I'll actually tell you in a future video. But otherwise, this is how you add set files to MT5. I hope this video is helpful, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.